Every time I open LinkedIn, I see two types of people. The ones who think AI is a magic solve button for cybersecurity, and the other one who think an AI chatbot is going to take their job. But both of them are wrong. AI isn't going to replace you, but an analyst who knows how to weaponize AI will replace you. As a senior SOC analyst, I've integrated AI inside my incident response workflow, but I've also seen it lead other junior analysts down a rabbit hole of false positives and hallucinated forensic evidence. Today, I'm breaking down the Senior Incident Response Playbook, exactly how I use large language models or LLMs to speed up my triage, how to keep your data private, and why the human in the loop is more important now than ever. Let's hold it down. First, we need to talk about the senior way of how to handle data. I see analysts taking raw, sensitive logs, sometimes with PII or clear text passwords, and dumping them into a public ChatGPT window. That is firing a fence. You are effectively leaking your company's internal to a public training model. From a senior point of view, this is how you use sanitized prompts or enterprise-grade large language models. So a junior analyst may paste the whole entire log. The senior analyst replaces the internal IP address with internal_IP_1 and usernames with a variable of user_A. Now the hallucination check. AI is a prediction engine, not a database. If you ask, what does this registry key do? It might give you a confident, completely wrong answer. As a senior, I never take AI's word as gospel. I use it for the heavy lifting of logic, but I always verify the forensic truth in the documentation. If you are not verifying, you are not investigating. You're just guessing. Now here are 3 ways I 10x my investigation speed. Number 1, query translation and generation. We use a lot of different tools as analysts. Splunk, Sentinel, CrowdStrike. Each has its own language, KQL, SPL, and etc. Instead of spending 20 minutes looking up documentation for a specific join or subsearch, I describe the logic to my AI. For example, I can say, write me a KQL query that finds successful logins, followed by the unusual amount of file deletions in the last 5 minutes from SharePoint. Method number 2, deobfuscation at scale. Hackers love to hide their intentions in base64, hex, or heavily obfuscated PowerShell. Manually decoding this is a slog. I'll feed that encoded mess into AI and say, explain the logical flow of this script and identify the C2 IP addresses. What used to take an hour now takes 60 seconds. Number 3, the CISO translation. Incident reports are typically too technical for upper management. I feed my technical findings into AI, summarize these findings into 3 bullet points, focusing on business risk and remediation for an executive level audience. This ensures my reporting is sharp as my technical analysis. Now in this section, we're going to talk about why the SOC needs the human brain more than ever. The most dangerous thing in the SOC right now is a SOC analyst who trusts the green checkmark. AI can tell you that this login is statistically unusual, but it can't tell you that the user is a dev lead who just got paged at 3 a.m. to fix a production bug in the London office. Here's the senior move. You provide the context. AI doesn't understand your business's unique noise. It doesn't know your company's internal politics, your VIP list, or the fact that your team is migrating a legacy database. In 2026, the highest paid SOC analysts aren't the best alert closers. No, they're the ones who can manage AI, audit its work, and make the high stakes judgment call that a machine can't make. You handle the strategy. Let the AI handle the drudge work. The traditional SOC is changing. You can either be the victim of that change or the architect of it. If you want to see my specific list of safe SOC prompts that won't get you fired, drop a comment prompt below and I'll send it your way. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're here every Sunday to help you hold it down in your career and your life. I'll see you at 12 next Sunday. Peace.